Hello and welcome to the voidxrc video. Thanks for tuning in. So I will be continuing with my Tamiya build here today, and we are definitely getting it closer to being finished, as you can see here. The only thing I have done off camera is install the plastic bushings and the hexes, and I have done the wheels too. So in this video we're just going to install the motor, the speed controller, and the radio system. I was going to use the speed controller that came with it. However, when I was looking through its instructions, I couldn't find anything about making this use a LiPo battery, and the only information I could find, it says the max voltage is 7.2 volts. So I don't know if I don't know if the speed controller that came with it can use LiPo or not, but I couldn't find any information. So I'm just going to put in this little hobby wing speed controller here, so that should work well. And for the radio, I'll be using the AU Star AX5S 3-channel radio. Right here. Comes with a little receiver. The radio out. 4 AA batteries. It should work quite well in here. Alright, let's continue putting stuff together. I believe that is a good pinion alignment. I'm not sure if you can see the pinion alignment in there or not, or just see the white gear. But it looks quite good to me, so we're going to go ahead and tighten. Nope, it's moved. I hope these wires should reach well. Oh yeah, they seem to just be long enough. Nice. I did forget, I'm going to have to change this out to a Dean's plug so I can plug in a battery. Well, I can do that in a few minutes though. I'll probably do that off camera. Alright. Well, I'm going to get this plug changed out, get the wheels on, and then we'll just give it a little test drive. Back in a second. So I just had a huge brain fart and soldered up the wires backwards and then plugged it in. Let's hope I haven't killed the speed controller. Guess I got to unsolder these and redo it now. Let's see if that speed controller is broken or not. Alright, the moment of truth. Alright, so I have all the electronics sorted now. The problem was not the speed controller. This battery, I guess, has just died over time, even though I'm pretty sure I had put it to a proper storage voltage. Anyways, yeah, this one's dead. It only has like 4.2 volts total or something. So I plugged this battery in and it works fine. The only thing is, This has a lot more speed than I thought it was going to. In fact, so much so that I really didn't even feel that comfortable driving around inside my house because I thought I might bash it into something and break it. Now I know if I had gone with the original speed controller and a NiCad battery, it would be a little slower as it wouldn't have quite as much voltage. However, I am using the LiPo and I don't plan to go to NiCad, so I may just put a slower motor in it. Anyways, let's just get to the first run footage right now.